Hang on a second. Oh no, stop playing. I think we can do both of them at the same time. That's weird. Oh no, I told you to stop playing, please. BB8, yeah! No!
Okay, Winston, give me back my droids. I want to do a review on them.
Why?
What do you mean, why?
They're simple toys.
They are simple toys, but they're interesting toys, so of course we need to do a review about them.
BB is just a remote control car trapped in a ball. R2D2 controls like an unresponsive tank. It has complicated remote controls, but most people only care about pressing the sound effects and action buttons.
Winston, stop trying to take over the review and just give me my droids.
Baba,
Yeah?
these are not the droids you're looking for.
These are not the droids that I'm looking for.
Move along.
Move along.